Well, hey everyone. Let me put on the music. Go. Do the coding adventures. Spark and maybe. So yeah, I got a few hours this morning to just like no meetings, just write some code. So I'm super stoked. And we're gonna do that. So from last night, if you remember, we left and I was like, yeah, I'm just going to run the test overnight and we'll look at the results in the morning. And of course, I really should have checked before I went to sleep because scroll. Holy shit, so much crap. Yeah, there was just like one of the generic errors, and it looks like happened during the Docker file build. And then, so it just got into a bad state. Happens sometimes. Actually, let's go ahead. kubectl get all dash n spark. kubectl get all dash all namespaces. How we doing? Okay. That's looking okay. Um, this is just my local mini cube. Just making sure that like I don't have a ridiculous number of things left hanging around. So that's looking good. So we're doing a clean Spark build. So this is going to take a long time. And so while we're doing the clean Spark build, what I'm going to do is something that I try and do most mornings, but honestly don't always succeed, which is follow up with my other PRs. So here we go. So this looks like, huh. Okay, context deadline exceeded during this Linux ARM64 Ray Basil build. And that's building the Ray wheel image. Weird. Let's run that again. Because sometimes these context deadline exceeded errors, I've seen them before, and they're just sort of transient errors that come up. So we'll just rerun that. Ooh, wait. Sorry, my computer is being weird. Just want to double check that I've got. There we go. Okay. Just want to make sure that I've got the chat box up in case anyone wants to say hi or anything. So yeah, so we're gonna rerun the Ray Docker changes that I've made. And the other thing that we're gonna do is I have some outgoing PRs, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna catch up on those outgoing PRs. Notifications. I have unread notifications. Not at all surprising. Um, um, okay, that's something I've commented on. This is something with a mention for me. This is something with a mention for me. Huh, that's weird. That says I was mentioned in this BR, but like that does not. I haven't done anything with Beam in a very long time. But that's okay. We'll go take a look at it anyways. Let's go ahead. Let's update my watching settings while we're here, actually. So yeah, we're gonna unwatch all activity. Unwatch all activity. Yeah, I don't. Okay. Um. So yeah. Um. Hmm. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Let's go back to notifications. I want to find the ones I'm mentioned in or participating in. Let's go participating. Oh, fight things fast over tramp. That one's interesting. Okay, same thing for this one and this one. And the Dask Docker PR. This and volcano. I feel like iceberg. Yeah. I thought there was something more recent in iceberg. Let's just go take a look at the iceberg stuff. The other thing that I want to take a look at is anything referencing Dask. No. Okay. So I'm going to doot. Okay. Is it? Yeah, okay. Oops, I opened the same issue twice. My bad. Yeah. Let's close that. Okay. Yeah. We could do this with Spark or Dask or Ray, depending on what's installed on the system. I think probably Dask. Dask array, depending on what's installed. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So here we go. This is the create data frame PR. Okay, where did it get left off? Okay, so let's say the user specifies a schema. In that case, inside of create from RDD, we can just look at the type of each element that we're processing. See if it's a data frame, or a row, or a dictionary, and dispatch logic there. So this is a comment where essentially like they've added a thing. Oh, hello, hello, Laverne Clana 666. Okay. Yeah, so they added an option where you can specify that you're creating a data frame from an RDD of pandas data frames. And I'm essentially just saying like, hey, why don't we just check the types dynamically and dispatch on that instead of having the user specify what kind of input they're giving us, right? Wait, is Kappa a sorority? I'm confused. Huh. Alright. Anyways, whatever. Uh, so, what do you think? Or is there a reason I'm missing why we couldn't do the dispatch uh, inside of create from RDD based on type? Cool. Okay. Uh, cool. Okay, so this PR is from use the app name as the executor pod name is Spark internal behavior, and we should not make the executor fail. Use short string as executor pod name prefix if the app name is too long. I mean, I mean, okay, I guess this looks reasonable to me. So but I'd like to see a test. This looks reasonable to me, but I'd like to see a test for it. I think that's reasonable. Let me dial it back a little bit. This seems reasonable to me. Yeah. That's reasonable. Reasonable. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, I do want to see a test, right? Because like this change, like, you know, what we do here is we say if it's a valid prefix, set it, otherwise generate a short name and set it. And like this is probably accurate, but like I want to test. I feel more comfortable with tested code, generally speaking. That's just safer that way. Okay, where did this get left off? Yeehaw. It's still failing integration. I imagine the Kate's failure is unrelated. Let's go take a look. Oh, interesting. Yeah, that's probably flaky and it's probably my fault. Waiting on this one. What's this one? Revert. Okay. Jenkins, retest this, please. Yeah. Yeah, so it's always nicer to have tests. So yeah. Cool. Okay. Why was I mentioned? What? Fucking hilarious. I wrote some of this code? That doesn't sound like me. I don't write code. I mean, that's very sweet. I guess maybe I wrote this. When did I write this? 2018. I shit. I don't I okay. Lols. That's cool. I that's nice. Oh, I do, uh, yeah. Um, yeah, it looks like I wrote some Go code back in the day, 4 years ago. And someone picked it up and finished it up. Yeah. Uh, it does seem to shell out, um, to find, but I think it's so resolving the root of the project, um, gets screwy running over tramp mode. Shell to find successfully, because it ends up doing a find over my entire folder instead of just the project. Cool. Introducing a limit for pending pods. Where's this left off? Okay. I dig it. Cool. So, okay. Okay. Oh, I dig it. Okay, okay. Okay. Um, oh, I think what I'll do is makes sense. Can we still include the note? The note to clarify how this interacts with the existing per RPI allocations. Since at first read, I didn't pick up on that. I imagine other folks might miss that too. So it's just like, hey, okay, yeah, cool. And so that one, ooh, my computer is no longer sounding like a jet plane about to take off. So that's cool. Oh, shit. Okay. Docker prune. Okay. Docker prune. Docker system prune. Yeah. Weird. I have 239 gigs free on that. So that doesn't make sense to me, at the very least. Yeah, 0 bytes. Okay. Let's go minikube stop. Oh, it's probably using the minikube. Oh yeah, Docker image prune. My guess is it's using the Docker image prune. Is it's using the minikube builder? Yeah. And that my minikube is full. This is my belief. I could be wrong. Yeah. I'm not used to minikube stop taking that long. Oh, that's kind of weird. Minikube? Okay. Minikube delete. Okay. So now we'll essentially make a new minikube. Because I think it's using the minikube context to do the build. Because that's also where we do the test. Oh. Oof. Ugh. Okay, that's gonna take a hot minute. I can get back to yeah. Reviewing PRs. Okay. Let's take a look at what the latest is. Oh yeah, okay. So here. I'm not mining any Bitcoin, I assure you. I assure you. I was doing more thinking about this and looking at how. Okay, so this is a thing which I actually do want to do more thinking about. And I think number two, ignore existing file. Overwrite is probably the most reasonable, but number one could also be okay. Okay, cool. So we've got that minikube mount. Okay, and now I can just go ahead and just run. We don't have to recompile Spark. We do have to recompile the Spark tests and build the container images. But my hope is that it was using... Oh, shit. I have a shell script I need to run. And that just creates the role and service account and all of those things in the minikube test cluster that the tests suite is expecting. So what I wanted to do here is actually look at current broadcast.scala. So here we go. And what we do is we go block manager put single. So if we go look inside of the block manager code, put single calls put iterator. Oh, fuck. Put iterator, which calls do put iterator. Calls do put. Okay, do put. So inside of do put, we call check should store. We lock the block for writing. And then afterwards we release the lock. When we go to write, okay, we get our new info. Lock internal. Okay, then we go ahead and we call into put body, I think. Okay. Put body. Nope. Okay. put body? Okay. Do put takes a put body function. Okay, so okay. Okay. Put single. F put iterator. Okay. Do put iterator. Okay. So do put iterator, and then we go here. If we're using memory, we put it in memory. If we're also using disk, we put it in disk. And disk store put. So if we go look inside of the disk store, def put. So we, yeah. Yeah, so I think the safest thing to do here is yeah. So okay. Also be okay if we changed the behavior of the disk store to do atomic renames on write completion. To do atomic renames on write completion. To do temporary file writes with atomic renames on write completion. Personally, I'm in favor of going for number 2. Ignore existing, overwrite, and what are we gonna do? Ignore existing and overwrite, and instead, and leaving the temp file write with atomic rename as a future. So that's my thought. Okay, cool. And we're building the container. Solid. Okay. Okay, what's this? Add support for cross-building ARM. Cool. Let's go take a look at the latest on this PR. I don't remember. I did that. Fix that. Let's go take a look at the failing build. Yes, I would like to see where it failed. Okay. So it looks like Docker build kit equals 1. Okay, let's go Docker compose with build kit. Oh, okay. So we'll, oh, fuck yeah. Running. Fingers crossed. Let's hope. Let's hope. Um, um, okay. Um, okay, let's hope this works. I don't know. Hmm. Okay. Okay, that's running. Let's go get pods. Error. Oh, what's the error? Shit. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. PV test suite. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. No, I need this to run the mini read-write test, not the DFS read-write test. Okay, that's why. Run it again. Okay. Other thing that I want to do is we're going to go find the Dask Docker repos. Scaling Python ML, Scratch, Dask, Docker. Um, oop, uh, oh, yeah. And we'll just change this to match that. Okay. And what am I going to do? Docker compose, Docker build X. Is there a way to use Docker compose with Docker build X? Oh. Oh. Um. Huh. what about, let's go back to readme.md. Um, huh. Let's, okay, I wanna try this. Scratch. Okay. Oh no, this is dask-docker. Yeah. Okay, cool. So if I do that, can I do this? Um, hmm. Okay, yeah. Okay, is there like a prefix? Okay. Let's go take a look at Docker Compose. Um, hmm. Um, hmm. Docker Compose image. Okay. Docker Compose template. Okay. How do I? Hmm. Um. Yeah. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Uh, Docker Compose template image repo, I guess. Um, Image registry. Docker Compose template registry. Okay. So we're gonna open, if you have permission to push to task dev. Don't. What am I gonna do? Um, Hmm. Oh, I got distracted. Sounds like it's probably finished running the Spark stuff. Okay, kubectl log session Spark. Ah, okay. Cool. Okay. So we go ahead. Boop. File not found. This exception is on line 109 inside of the mini read write test. Okay. Okay. Local file path is not dot. We mutate that shit. Performing word count from. Right, okay, so we call parse args. And n params is equal to 1. Yeah. And then. I'm gonna set this to null. PB test suite. Okay. Yeah. And then if we go look at Kubernetes suite on Scala, run. Okay. We do pass app args through. Okay. Yeah. That should be what this is referencing, right? Like, because we loaded the file, it looks like the serialization is somehow picking up. Fuck it. You know what? Yeah. And okay, cool. Contents are sure. Okay. Let's go ahead and rerun it. We don't have to do a clean, but we do have to rebuild. Okay. That's fine. That's going to take a hot minute, and that's going to give me some time to figure out what the hell I'm doing. Okay, Docker buildx bake doesn't take dash platform. Buildx bake dash help. Docker buildx bake. Docker buildx bake platform. Mm-hmm. Okay. Um, override platform for all targets. Ah, yeah, the new ARM chip is super annoying. Also, hi Adi. I'm happy you're here. Yay. Yeah, this is actually not the M1 because I don't work at Apple anymore. These are the NVIDIA Jetson ARM chips, but yeah, it's the same general shit that you have to do. Uh, Yay. Okay, and so what we would do here is start YAML. Is it? Okay, let's go back to readme.md. There's a Docker compose file that I'm going to do here. And so what we were going to do is we'll do set platform, set services, scheduler, image equals holding k slash task set services worker image holding k. Or let's go let's say $user. I think this is like okay, that makes sense. I don't have permission to push to Dask, so that's kind of what we're expecting. And so let's keep rolling. Yeah, we're not gonna build that because we don't have permission to push to Jupyter. So we're just gonna end up pulling that. And so what we'll do here, services notebook. Okay, let's find out if this works. And I'm hoping it does. Ah, shit. Okay. So instead of services, let's try just scheduler. Is that one of the target? Unknown key image. Not great. Because these all have images, right? Worker image. Let's do this. Okay. Oh, okay. We're gonna overload the tags, not image. Dig it. Let's hope that works. Yeah. Oh. Oh, hey! Hey, princess! Yay. Optimistic. One of these things will succeed. Okay. Yeah. Let's go dash dash print. See what it comes up. Okay, tags, Holden. Holden. Oh, wait, what? Oh, shit. $user is probably... Okay, yeah. Docker user. Docker user. Docker user. Docker user. Okay. Cool. Optimistic. But, you know. Okay. Okay. Okay, export Docker user equals Holden K. I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay, yeah. Everything hurts, but like, eh. Okay, we'll just move this up. Okay, cool. That's looking good. I would like to save that file. Yeah. Right. We'll make sure that succeeds at building first, and then we'll move on. Well, actually, yeah, we'll make sure this succeeds. We can go check on our Ray build. Okay, Dask is looking okay. Once this is done, I want to make sure that the Docker up change that I have like this is going to work. So that's the other thing. So that should do the trick, is my hope, but I don't know. We will find out. Yeah, for sure. I am doing a lot of things at the same time. Yeah, I am. I'm sorry. I'm not a classy person. Um, I don't know. I like things that just work. Um, and like I run Ubuntu, so it's a lot less work. It's just installed by default. Um, yeah. Okay. Hmm. Oh yeah. Oh, so I'm apologizing for using Unity because often what is it? I don't know. There's a girl that I dated who would always make fun of me for running Ubuntu with like just most of the stock config. Um and this is 1804. And I specifically haven't upgraded this because of the NVIDIA machines that I was talking about. And that's the NVIDIA machines are, I like them a lot, but the Flash tool, it's like, let's see if I can find it. I don't remember what it's called. NVIDIA, whatever. I can't find it. But the tool for flashing, the NVIDIA Jetson AGXs doesn't work on the newer versions of Ubuntu yet. Um, and so I run the newer versions of Ubuntu on all of my other machines, but I keep this one because it's like, you know, it's on my home network. It's not exposed to the internet in the same way as my laptops are sometimes. Running an old version of Ubuntu so I can flash those servers. Because every so often I accidentally brick them. Yeah, yeah. Server bricked a day keeps the cluster away. Okay, so where did this try and push? So this tried to push base notebook. But honestly, we really don't want to push the base notebook. I think, hear me out on this one. Hmm. Like, but I understand why we want to use the context. Um, it wasn't the default in 1804? Weird. I don't know how I ended up with it then. Huh. I don't know then. I don't know what I did. Maybe I customized my system and forgot about it. That sounds like the kind of thing I would do. Um, let's see here. That lists the platforms. Okay, Jupyter Docker Stacks. Docker Stacks. Okay. Jupyter, Docker Stacks, Docker Hub. So the one that we probably want to look at is the base notebook. And it is built for ARM. Fuck yeah. Is it built with... Okay. Oh, I might have done a release upgrade. That sounds like the kind of thing that I would do. Actually gonna get rid of base notebook. We're gonna go into desk dev. I guess we'll go notebook, Docker file. Okay. Lab 3016. Okay. Jupyter Docker stacks. Let's go take a look at yeah. Yep. So selecting an image. There we go. Okay. There's a wiki, I think, that I want to take a look at. If I click on build manifest, Hmm. Okay, so I think we'll do the Python 396 version. That sounds... Because it looks like it's built with lab. I don't know. Oh, this is the All Spark notebook. Um, um, that's the PySpark one. That's the data science one. TensorFlow, SciPy, R, Base. Um, oh, okay. So if I use base notebook and I give it the tag, this tag, kind of guessing here. But let's give that a shot. Yeah. Um. Cool. Spark container is getting built. DAS container is getting built, and Ray container is getting built. Yay! I make mediocre life choices. Yeah, I've actually thought about doing a fresh install whenever I get around to getting a new computer. But I just like have no spoons right now. Just enough spoons to make it through the day. Oh. Do. Let's see here. Hmm. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that build looks like it's coming along okay. And actually, it looks like all of the... I am currently building Dask, Ray, and Spark, all on the same computer. Or, well, technically computers, because they're all being cross-built. Oh, wait, no, Spark isn't being cross-built. Ray and Dask is being cross-built. Spark can be cross-built, but I don't bother cross-building it for my integration testing because it's already slow enough. And the PV tests require running on Minikube anyways, so I don't have a multi-arch Minikube, so it doesn't really make sense to cross-build anyways. Yeah. Okay, this is exciting. I'm stoked. I'm Okay. Cool. Cool. Oh, looking choice. Analytics Zoo. let's take a look at that. Oh, the distributed TensorFlow from Intel? I have not. Oh, cool. This runs on Spark, Flink, or Ray. Okay. I dig it. Have you played with it much, Adi? I should add this to my list of things to take a look at. Oh, wait, what? Wait, did it run? Did the test succeed? The test succeeded! Fuck yes! Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel it. My backlog is infinitely deep as well. But the main thing here is my test succeeded. I'm so excited. Fuck yeah. Okay. Let's clean it up and get stuff committed. Mini read-write test. Yeah, that looks reasonable. Also reasonable. Okay. Kubernetes suite is the one where I've got some changes that I want to back out. And this is just because I didn't want to run the full tests because they're a pain in the ass. And we'll go back to the PV test suite. Re-enable all of this stuff. Swap the test tags around as well to PV test tag and minikube tag. Okay, cool. Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, update the mini read-write task to handle the fact that exec PVCs are dynamically allocated and don't have the same view as the driver PVC. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we are gonna switch the PV tests back to having PV test tag and minikube tag as needed for Jenkins M. Okay. And that looks good. The values are good, which are flexible, but like, fuck yeah. Okay. So that's updated. Dask is running there. Ray is running here. For the most part, I imagine that they're actually like all running on the ARM stuff right now. Oh, cool. Okay, so that did work. That's choice. This is the other thing that I want to make sure works. Because this is the one that matters, I would say. Well, by the one that matters, like this is the use case that people are most likely going to do most frequently. So I want to make sure that if we run the Docker compose up, that it behaves as expected. Okay, cool. I'm super stoked though, because like honestly, I was not expecting that test to be particularly successful. But that's That's pretty legit. Okay, let's see where this left off. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, doot, doot. Addressed your comments. If you got some cycles to review, appreciate it. No rush. Cool. So that's the iceberg PR. Okay. Okay. This one's mine. Okay, fuck yeah. Yeah, don't care about the R tests. Those are flaky and also outside of the scope of things that I know how to do. Okay, so it looks like, and this part sucks. It looks like Docker build kit 1. I have a theory. Which is I might need to export these two because I don't know. Docker compose. Docker compose. I can't spell for shit. Docker dash compose up. Okay. Let's see. No. Docker compose. What's the Docker file change that I made? It's here. Docker compose target art. Okay. Not super useful. So hypothetical, and by hypothetical I mean, default to AMD 64. Default to AMD 64. And we'll go ahead and we'll do that also in most likely base, I'm guessing. Actually, we don't do that in base. Okay, cool. Let's run Docker compose up. Oh wait. Okay, Docker arg default value. There we go. I want to double check and make sure that I'm doing this right. Okay. Wait, an arg declared. What? I'm slightly confused. This looks like it's working. We'll double check and then we'll circle back and make sure the cross build instructions still work. Because it's possible I broke the cross build instructions while we were at it. So the next thing that we need to do with the big monster PR that I've been working on. Well, actually let's lint Scala. Yeah. It's gonna take a hot minute. Okay, that looks like that's doing okay. That's doing okay. Oh, I need more coffee. Okay, stateful set holds on locator at line 123. Yeah, I dig it. Okay. Yep, okay. 6. thing and 157. Oh yeah, okay, we don't need that hey girl log error anymore. Okay, let's rerun that. Lint. Yeah. Party. Cool. Cool. Okay. PV test suite line 175. Okay. 5. Oh yeah, dig it. Cool. That looks like it worked, kinda. Okay, cool. That's great. So, now let's make sure that our cross-build instructions still function. Because I want to make sure that, like, the arg AMD64 is being treated as a default value, not, like, a hard set. Oh, yeah. I have that at 4 p.m. Okay. Wait, did Devlin Scala succeed? I forgot. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay. Let's Scala style cleanups. Scala style cleanups. Git if master. So yeah. Okay. Solid. And now I think, well, okay, yeah, let's do a git push. Oh shit, we're out of date with master. Git pull Apache GitHub master. Git rebase master. Stash. Git rebase master. Okay. Cool. Let's go find config.scala. Oh, cool. Well, I have a conflict with my own code. That seems entirely on brand. I do tend to do a bunch of work in the same areas at the same time. Okay. 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 And similarly here. We are going to swap that. Okay. Cool. Cool, and we're going to do this because we're going to go back to the SBT builds. Clean compile, test compile. And that's because we're going to be doing things now which aren't going to depend on integration tests. Oh, but I should also git push first with lease. And I'm going to go ahead and update PR description so people know that that's fixed. PV integration tests, whip, broadcast changes. Cool. So we'll go ahead and we need to change the block store around a little bit. And that's a bit of a hack. I think what I'm gonna do though, before I forget, because there's this thing where like if I don't file a Jira or a GitHub issue or whatever, when I'm thinking about it, it's just not gonna happen because my memory is like fuzzy AF. So what we're gonna do here, gonna create a new issue, improvement, use atomic renames for block store, for disk store block rights. Spark core 330. What's memory? Oh yeah, my memory is cheeseburger based. This is a follow-up for this is a follow-up. Okay, no, Control-V. When we okay, how do we say this? Since we don't, oh yeah, and do fall through reads. Since we could end up in a situation where we have a partial write, we can't do fall through reads to the disk store. A solution to this is to use atomic renames on successful write. Unsuccessful write of a block, which would make it safe to assume that any on-disk representation of a block represented the full block. This is a potential follow-up. And so I'm gonna created to track the potential follow-up. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna relax a requirement inside of Spark, and then we're gonna see if any tests fail, because that is, yeah. Disk store dot scala. Log warning. So what we'll do, mm, Java delete file. Okay. I don't remember. Ah. Java delete file exceptions. What are the exceptions? Okay. I mean, this is, yeah, this would be the one really that we would expect. And so what we'll do here is already present in the disk store. And could not delete. Okay. I mean, we could just grab all exceptions here. Yeah, let's just grab all exceptions. Because, like, that sounds fair. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's run it again. Fuck yeah. Okay, fuck, this failed. Okay, so I think okay, that's what we're gonna do instead. Docker file, notebook, MD64. Okay, I think that'll do the trick. Let's see. Defaults to AMD64 for non-build kit builds. Oh, hey! Thanks, Artem. I'm really glad you like them. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh, fuck yeah. The ray thing is exporting the image and the layers. This is solid. Looking good. Looking good. I dig it. Okay, let's go back to the tests. No failures yet. That's okay, though. Okay, cool. Um, I'm really optimistic that, I mean, if none of the tests fail, it's kind of cool. It does mean that I will like need to add a new test. Let's look at. Oh, damn it. Um, hmm. Okay, exit code 126. Um, yeah, yeah, it's definitely a permission issue. Um, okay. Magic Arch. Okay. So, Magic Arch equals target arch AMD 64. Right. Bash value if not set. Right. Docker arg default value target arch. Can I do this? Where is this gonna like, I'm treating it like an environment variable, but it's like maybe not quite an environment variable. And so this might just like, I might need to do something funky with it, and we will figure that out. Worst case scenario, I can do my like hacky uname minus m shit that I've done in other places instead of target arch, and then I can just leave a comment as to why I'm not using target arch. Is to support non-build kit builds. Which like that's doable. Weird. I'm still kind of expecting a failure somewhere, but like hasn't happened yet. Okay, how's our array build? Ah, fucking hell. Okay. Huh. Let's just go ahead and I think for Ray, the Ray Docker file, which is inside of Ray, I'm just gonna drop CPP because I'm pretty sure that's just gonna do the trick. Let's just run that. see what happens. Okay. Huh. Okay. Oh. Huh. Hmm. Weird. What about if I just say Ray? Huh. Let's get rid of that and rerun it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's not working. That's fine. Docker file inside of notebook. If Docker file uname minus m. Oh wait, name minus a? No. Uname minus m AMD 64. Let's see. Oh. Is this gonna give me? Oh, fuck yeah. That gives me the architecture I want, I think. So let's do that. Let's also verify that that does the right thing on an ARM machine. Fuck yeah. Okay. Yeehaw. Oh yeah, let's add a comment. Yeah. We don't use target arch so as to support non-build kit builds. Okay. And then that'll simplify this theory to just a Docker compose up. So let's hope that does the trick. How are we doing on the Spark unit tests? Everything. Ooh, okay, first failure. Yeah. Okay. Lock manager suite. Which test is this? Would probably help. Oh God. Okay. Go take a look at the block manager suite because that's what I need to edit next. I also need to double check when my next meeting is. Oh shit. I fucked up. Shit. Give me a second. I'm gonna send an email really quickly. I thought it was at 12:30. It looks like it was actually at 12. That's my bad. Buttons, buttons, buttons. Yeah. 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 Okay. Well, eh. Oh, fucking shit up. Part of my life. Damn it. I try, but I often do not knock it out of the park. That's fine. Okay. I got a meeting at 1. Probably want to eat some food before that. But let's go take a look at what the failure might be in the blog manager suite. Because that's like probably... Oh, too many open files. Okay. I mean, eh. Um... Um... All right. Well, we'll rerun that on its own, and then we'll. It's probably just a U limit issue that I ran into. Yeah. Damn it. Oh well. Let's see here. What else do I have to do? So, okay. I mean, core tests are gonna presumably continue to take a while. This looks like it's doing okay at the cross building. What did I change in Ray? Oh, I got rid of that env export. Maybe that does the trick? Not super sure. Let me go down. Yeah. Oh, shit. Dude. Hmm. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh. Okay. Cool. So, okay, we're installing Anaconda requirements. This looks like it's probably going to succeed. I do want to like wait for it to actually succeed all the way through before I like do the git push. Oh wait, no, this is the Ray one. No, so that still hasn't actually got to the point that we care about. Dask. Okay, that one succeeded. Let's make sure that Docker compose up still works, and then we can do a git push. If it does, party. Yeah, looking solid. Okay, cool. That works. Dude. Support non Docker non build kit builds use the base notebook Python 396 tag container, set up rolling our own. Cool. Party. Okay. That looks like that does the right thing. Okay, I guess or src test. Let's go take a look at the broadcast suite because maybe oh, hi DeWalker. Okay. Okay, disk. Cache broadcast to disk. Okay, yeah. It's the only disk related test. Yeah, I mean, legit. Legit. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this to, what is it? We're gonna drop work in progress. Oh yeah. Delete block when putting over an existing block in case our in-memory block info doesn't match on disk, e.g. Restart the container. Cool. Yeah. I think that's pretty solid for today, and I am going to go and get lunch. Where lunch is most likely just like, ooh, actually, I might have bagels with cream cheese. Yeah, I'm gonna go make bagel with cream cheese for lunch. I hope you all have a lovely day. I'm really excited that we got that test to pass, because like honestly wasn't expecting it. Yeah, these things that failed, there was a ulimit error, but like that's okay. Kind of expected. We got the non-build kit build change for Dask Docker, and the Ray thing is still, I don't know for sure, but I think maybe we'll have some success. But that's going to take a while to find out because building the Ray containers takes a really long time. In part because Ray has like what we could describe as a metric shit ton of C++ code. So thanks everyone for joining me. It's been a lot of fun, especially thanks everyone for chatting. It's always nice to have people to chat with. Oh, so the Hello Kitty thing here. So I didn't actually get to this very much, but essentially, I have been looking for Hello Kitty glasses frames, and there's like it's surprisingly difficult to find. This one is probably the like these look really cool. They come in adult sizes, but they were made in 2017. Um so and that turns out like it's 4 years ago, and like 4 years is like a long enough time that like I ooh yeah. Wait, what? Not for sale, but oh, that's cute. But I don't want the pin, I want the glasses. Um, okay. Where do I get these? Yeah. So this is the problem. Like they were all made like mm, a long time ago. And I cannot find find them. Although now, hmm, hmm, hmm. Now I'm distracted. Want to buy Hello Kitty glasses. But yeah, so they don't have them on the Optique Paris pages anymore. When I poke around here, I can't find them. Um, oh shit. That. Oh no, no, this isn't the Hello Kitty ones, though. I don't think. Uh, hello. Let's just add the word kitty to it. I do have Bitcoin. Not a lot. Um, but I got some. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so no Hello Kitty ones even on auctions. Yahoo CodeJP. Yeah, and so that's out of date. That blog's been removed. Um, yeah, those aren't Hello Kitty. Yeah. I mean, I don't spend a lot of time on blockchain stuff. Uh, not really qualified to talk about it. Um, yeah, I just do like data analytics stuff. So yeah, cool. Um, sorry, I don't have a better answer for you, baffling. But thanks everyone for joining again. Thanks for the reminder about my adventures to try and find Hello Kitty in adult sizes. Mixed success on that. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat lunch because I'm hungry. Have a lovely day, all.